Welcome to a Halloween Disneyland merch unboxing. This is my first purchase ever of pins for myself. I don't know if I'm going to keep them yet, but they are my kryptonite because they're Munchlings and it's a surprise pack. So I thought we had to do this together. If you haven't seen my Disneyland haul on YouTube yet, go there now. These are the options. I love the holiday ones. Which ones would I be excited about? And let's manifest. Okay, I would basically be excited about any Minnie Mouse. Baymax is on my top 3. We have this little guy as a Munchling at home. Oogie Boogie. I basically just don't want Donald. I don't know. Is that going to upset you? I hope not. This is a series 1 pack. There are 16 pins to collect and there's 5 in here. Let's see what $45 got me, okay? Okay, I'm going to let you see first, and then I'm going to open my eyes. What is this? What is this? Oh, he's cute. He's cute. Look, he kind of matches my nails. Okay, come on. Let's be an Oogie Boogie in here, shall we? Okay, what's this? Is this upside down? Okay, well, I guess if they're going to do one, they have to do both, right? We got Chip and Dale. We love a matching set. Okay. Now that they're out of the way, I'm feeling to try to see if it's Oogie Boogie. Yay! Oh my gosh, Callie's going to be so excited. Oh, okay. I'm really happy about this one. Okay, this is so fun. 2 more. Yeah! Oh, yeah! The Minnie Mouse. We have her too as the little Munchlings stuffy. I will tell you that I'm going to give this to Callie, but I'm not. This one's for me 100%. Oh, okay. Last one. All right. There's no Oogie Boogie here. That's okay. We 2 out of 5. It's not that I don't love him, but all right. Okay, Donald. So thanks for opening with me. We've got these pins. Now what do I do with them?